Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're introducing the new Moto G Stylus 5G. A 5G smartphone with a big screen, quad camera system, built-in stylus, and powerful battery, all on T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. Let's check it out. The first thing you'll notice is that the G Stylus has a large 6.8-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus screen. It's great for watching your favorite shows and videos. The screen also works with the built-in stylus, which is perfect for taking notes, editing photos, or even a little downtime. The Moto G Stylus 5G also features a quad camera system with a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The G Stylus 5G offers up to 2 days of battery life on a single charge with its large 5,000 mAh battery. The Moto G Stylus 5G runs Android 11 out of the box, has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, expandable up to a terabyte with a micro SD card slot. Now, let's see what's inside the box. You've got the new Moto G Stylus 5G, documentation, USB-C charging cable, and 10-watt charger. The new Moto G Stylus 5G, a big screen with a built-in stylus, quad camera system, and a powerful battery, all on T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. Check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.